Good morning, folks. Let me show you all the restoration steps to completely restore these two redware plates. Restore them to the invisible repair. Complete restoration. These plates are at the second step, the structural repair. And what I will do is, on the back where they have to be fit together very carefully, and then I will mark it here and probably here and here, and I will attach the other two pieces here and here. They're sort of hourglass shape. It's using a Dremel bit 7150 and a Dremel. And I will drill into the pottery on both sides at a depth where I can then use epoxy 330 and secure the pins into the back of the plate. I will be using a milliput terracotta for the final fill, but for the pinning, imagine a side view of the drilled area. This is the two pieces that have come together. Well, we'll put a pin in here, a metal pin, and then fill up to about here with the 330. The final fill will be with the terracotta, because 330 is much harder than the redware plate, and to fill it all the way up here and sand it smooth would probably dig away into the pottery, so we won't do that. This is the beginning of this repair, and let me get to it.